On today's Style Time-Saving Secrets, Sarah Eggenberger is the senior editor-at-large at NewBeauty, and she's here with 5 super simple habits that'll help you get out the door faster, save you some money, make life easier. And she should know, because everything we see, you're going to practice what you preach. You do all this.
I do all this. In fact, some of our B-roll is of my actual kitchen.
Okay.
So this is all things I apply.
So the first thing you do is you call it a kitchen sink beauty stop, like a one-stop shopping of your main things.
Right, because we're all trying to get out the door without losing our ever-loving minds, right? Like, that's the goal. And so the thing is to keep some of those items in a convenient spot. So not upstairs where they belong, maybe not the most organized spot, but where you need it the most.
Okay, so like put something
in your kitchen sink, like right next to your kitchen sink, have a drawer that has all your products. Have like a little caddy in your mudroom.
Not in your bathroom?
Not in your bathroom. So don't go back upstairs, get all distracted. Keep everything right where you are, the hub of the house.
All right, so what do you keep in this?
Door. So this is what I keep in the store is the Unite hair detangler, and then also a brush. So when you try to get through any unruly hair, if it's like tough, what you want to do is look for a brush that has multiple size bristles, right? That helps to pull through the hair. It's also really flexible, and so it doesn't work against your hair, it works with your hair, so you can get rid of all those tangles. It works magic.
And the detangler too.
Like this is going to help to really like build up that cuticle, so it smooths the hair. And I mean, there's some sorcery at play, because when you do this, like you just get through the most unruly of hair.
Yes, and do you put the detangler on wet or dry?
You can do both. So either or. And I love it for leave-in conditioner too. Like just if you want to add a little bit more volume to your hair and more hydration. It's a great product.
I like this brush. That's cute.
This is a like TikTok favorite brush.
Okay, good to know. Okay, we did the brush. Multitasking beauty products. I like that, like a 3-in-1 or a shampoo conditioner in one.
Yeah, we're leaning into like these convenient products because like it just gives you this flawless look with the ease. Plus, you also have like the magic of saving the price point, right? The monetary value, because you're now only using like one product for multiple purposes. Instead of having to purchase just one product, you really have like a benefit. You can use this on your cheeks, on your lips. You can actually use a little bit on your eyes if you want to. And the really cute, like fun way to use this is put a little bit down your nose. It's this new tip that gives you that like sunburn kind of like fresh look, like you just got back from a workout. And it just adds like this really lovely like color. And these multitasking products are so easy. One and done, and you're faster.
There's a lot of balms like that you can do. Little lip, little cheek, little eyes.
Yeah, and it's just like such a fresh look, and it looks so even and like looks great together.
Okay. Now, you say give multitasking innovations a try. What is this?
So this is fun. So I want you to try this out. This is actually a deodorant and a body spray all pulled together into one product.
On?
Yeah, why not, right? You can spray it on my arm, too, if you want to.
I'll
so this takes it on the go. Like, it's just this nice, fresh scent, right?
Ooh.
So it took deodorants in a solid form, put them into a vapor form.
Yeah.
And so you still get, like, that freshness all day. It's great to, like, throw in your bag, take on the go.
Was it weird to be putting deodorant on in your kitchen?
Well, this you might actually want to keep in the bathroom.
Okay, all right, got it.
You might want to keep this in, or actually in your bag, because I love this in like your in-between stuff and just need a quick freshen up.
Yeah.
It keeps it all over body freshness.
Okay, cool.
Okay, now, so when it comes to our morning routines, like oftentimes you have like your multiple drinks, your blenders, all the different things. This is an all-in-one product. So this makes things so easy because you only have one product here, and you can actually mix your drinks in here because it's actually a frother. So you just press this button, it frosts your drinks. Can you see this in the camera? You can see it kind of moving through here, and this is going to frost your drinks, and then
it stirs it up for you.
And then you just turn it off, and then you can just open it up and sip, and you're all set to go.
That cool.
is it. And it works with warm and cold drinks.
Okay. So, like, what's a drink that you would put in there?
I love, like, matcha teas in here. It's really good. I also love it, actually, just with my coffee. Yeah. Because you know how your coffee, like, the last sip gets a little settled?
Yes.
I love this because you can actually, like, stir up every sip of coffee. So even the last sip gets stirred up.
That's pretty neat for a blended drink.
And it's all on the go, so it's perfect for that.
Okay, great.
Take it to go.
And then finally, the bag within the bag.
Yeah, so the way to make your life so much easier is to start your morning the evening before. So get organized the night before, and this is a great way to do it because everything is in its own place, its own home. So find these tote organizers. It actually has 10 compartments in here. There is like a condensed one so you can help with like your cool drinks. You have your notebooks, your iPads, a place for your brush. All your stuff is all condensed so you know you don't forget anything. Yeah, you don't forget anything because you can see it all, and it keeps everything organized, and you don't lose it inside of your bag.
So if you like to carry a big old bag, it's good to have this to sort of organize within. So you're not like fishing around for your ear pods or whatever. Okay, cool. Good idea, Sarah.